Have you decided you'd like to install ceramic tile in a room in your home to either change the appearance or because you thought it might be more durable? And you've held off doing it because you thought it would either be too difficult to do on your own or too expensive to have done? Well, if that's the case, this is the video for you. This and in following videos, I'm going to go through the entire process of tiling a floor, all the way from picking out the tile you want to use, determining how much you need, and all the prep work prior to putting the tile down, and the actual tiling process itself. So stick around and we'll walk through this, and by the time we're done, you'll be able to install a ceramic tile floor on your own. Let's get started. I found that done properly, tile is very attractive and very durable. I've done bathroom walls and floors, kitchen floors, utility rooms. As I've done it over time, I've accumulated some tools to do it. I found the tools that work best, that make the job easiest. That's what I'm going to cover with all of you today. Let's begin with the process of determining what we want to use for tile. And that's no small decision, because while you're painting a wall, you want to make sure you pick the right color. If it's not quite right, it's not too painful to go and repaint that wall again. As you get the other projects though, like deciding what carpet you want, or if you're putting in a wood floor or putting in tile, that decision is a lot longer lasting, particularly with tile, because tile, once that's stuck down, it's going to be there for a while. So spend some time up front, like we did, talking about different shapes, colors, styles, patterns of tile to put into this room that is going to complement the paint. And that's not so critical, but complement the woodwork that's going to be here for a long time, and some of the other things like the fireplace that we have. These are the two that we've got upstairs that I've got some left over. And here are the couple of the samples from the new ones we got. How do you think that goes with the woodwork and the paint here?
Well, I'm liking these.
You like this?
I'm thinking that'll...
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pull that one out there. Okay.
Oh, I think it picks up nice.
Yeah, what do you think of all of those right here with this brick?
Well, I think it all picks up a lot of different colors in it.
Yeah, this one here picks up the color. Yep, I think it's this one here. Yep, I think that's the one. After you've picked it out, you got to know how much tile you need. You have to get out the old tape measure and get the dimensions of the room or rooms that you're doing, and do a little ciphering to come up with the square footage, and then take a look at how many tiles are in a box, how many square foot, and that'll tell you how many boxes of tile you need to get. A tool I have that I find real handy when doing these projects around here and remodeling is having the whole house drawn up in CAD, both the upstairs and the basement rooms. Everything marked out, floor colors are showing on there, and then I can simply go to the CAD program and it'll give me the square footage of each room. So it makes it pretty simple for me, but it's probably a little overkill for most people. And it's just as easy to do what I did in the previous section, take the tape measure, measure it out, do a little multiplication, and you know what you need for square footage. We have finally decided on a tile we're going to use, and we have 19 cartons of tile on these two carts, and we still have 200 pounds of thin set to pick up. Let the party begin. That's quite a load of tile, 19 cartons of tile and 4 50-pound bags of thin set. With the tile unloaded, it was time to do the next very necessary step, and that is clean up the floor. Sweep up the big chunks and debris first, and then go over it with a vacuum cleaner. Set on the hard floor setting to pick up any more dust that's left behind. And once that's picked up, I get out the floor scrubber for a hard floor setting and make sure it's good and clean, and the scrubber will pick up all the moisture so it dries quickly. You need to have a clean surface. And that wraps up this video, this first part. We have now picked out the tile we want to use. We've gone and got it. We've got it all piled up, ready to go. We've got the floor prepped. And now, in the next video, we'll get started at the process of measuring things precisely, dropping some chalk lines, and do some experimental layouts with the tile to make sure everything comes out. Be sure and watch that, because there's some gotchas that you have to watch out for when you're laying out the tile so things come out the right width at the different ends and the sides of the rooms. Come on back next time and see how we do that. So until next time, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please click like and consider subscribing to our channel. Take care.